Guys, it is amazing how he changed glove. Like, I'm here 20 minutes, he changed glove 3-4 times.
The glove is the glove. The glove must always be clean, you know. The food. People eat it.
Very professional, thank you.
Thank you. I use a 2 packets of gloves for one day. Just to stop. Hey bro. Vi kan ta på så. Vi kan ta. Ah, tappar. Ja.
Men det beror på hur lång tid kvar innan det blir klart?
7 minutes.
7 minutes.
Ja.
10 hours.
You will see. I give the water for my customers if they keep waiting, you know. I respect my customers. You can have them. Yeah, no problem.
He's giving away free stuff every day to his customers. This is why he's so busy.
Yeah, we go for the tacos now. You must smile for the customers and you give them what they want. Let them happy with you every time. That's the most important thing. You joke with them, you entertain them as they are your friends because they come to you. You can entertain them while you do your job. So they will not get stressed. But if you leave them as like that, like they are animals to you, you don't respect them, even no smile, I don't think they were gonna like your food even that you sold for 1 krona. The most important thing is from the heart. You do anything with your heart, clean, respect people. And for me, I can say one thing to you in this video. I want to Sweden to know that anyone has made uniform as like a police or whatever, but is a service for my food, he will not pay. Because I was always look service that they work for me. So I get respect from the service, even I see them with their uniform, so I get same for myself to show to them something. Because I respect service, and service work for me. So because of that respect, I cannot solve them. But civilians, they will be happy with my food. Because even though I give 3 for my boat, I give 3 tacos, but when they come here, they get 4. So the civilians, I make them happy, give them sauce, anything. So I always think to be prosper, you know. So prosper, I know prosperity belongs to the people. God can help you, but people will be, they will be supporting you. Whatever God help you, people will be supporting you, so that is good to you. You can see this tacos. Guys, anyone who will eat this tacos, you will say there is no meat. I don't do that. I am not greedy for this, what I do. I always do it for my people to be happy. And then let them come to me again and again. peace and love. This is tacos.
Oh,
You will eat meat how you want it. I don't serve bread, I serve meat. They say tacos. I get the customers because why? If you go to buy tacos, by the right, if you buy tacos, you buy these guacamoles. But I look in the weekend to make my customers to be happy. I give them free for them to be happy. I respect them so much. I am happy because of my customers. So if they come, they must be happy. You can see.
yes.
When I put you one guacamole, you will not even expect it.
How
to
much
stay.
one of these cost?
Hmm?
How much one of these cost
One.
for one box?
One and 115. 115.
So one box of this taco costs $15. Is that my burrito?
Yeah, you can have this, the tacos. Wait,
Okay.
I will fix you
Okay.
special thing. You want to eat now?
No, no. Do your thing. I just set my parking for 2 more hours for car parking. I
Wow.
parked my car. So I have a time. Thank you. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to your neighbor, other
Where?
side. That guy, Afghani food.
This is.
Yeah.
How are you? Is your own is already? I look up at you. Your own is ready. Uh-huh. Yeah.
After every cook, he's dumping the oil out. He's cleaning the pan after every cook. Just imagine every day how much oil he's using, and he does not recycle the oil. Goes to the tank, the oil. This is amazing. The reason I say that because in many restaurants
No.
they reuse the oil.
No, no. I just make you.